I don't know how to say thanks to Praveen. कैसे कहें शुक्रिया, क्योंकि अभी तो शुरू हुई थी गुफ्तगू और कहना पड़ा अलविदा. Thanks Praveen, thanks for building Paytm Money. Thanks for redefining passion, dedication and that hard work for all of us out here. Best of luck for the future.
Remember our first meeting in McDonald's and how it all started. It has been a great experience working with you and creating memories. Best wishes, PJ. See you when I see you.
Hi PJ, working with you was very special. We all are gonna miss you a lot. In fact, we are already missing you. All the best for your next step and we'll keep in touch. Bye bye.
Praveen, the culture you brought into Paytm Money made Paytm Money different. We will miss you for that.
Hey Praveen, thanks for the opportunity to be a part of Paytm Money and thanks for the continued guidance and support. I wish you all the best.
Hello Praveen, all the best. It was great fun working with you to build Paytm Money right from day one when we built it from scratch to 6 million users. So the commitment and the perseverance that you showed here is like really commendable. So wish you the very best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for Paytm Money. I'm wishing you all the best and you will be extremely missed, sir.
Hi Praveen, all the very best for your future interviewer. It was a pleasure working with you. Thanks for everything.
Hi, all the best Praveen. We'll miss you. Thanks for everything.
Hi Praveen, wish you a great journey ahead and all the best.
It all started with 100 crore कमाएंगे और retirement पे chill करेंगे. I still remember our discussion about retirement and all, but little did I knew that I would be creating this video for you. Keep rocking.
Hi Praveen, I feel extremely lucky to get an opportunity to work with a leader like you. All the very best for your future and we are all going to terribly miss you. Take care, bye bye.
Thank you Praveen for everything. Paytm Money is not going to be the same again without you. Best of luck for all your future endeavors.
Hi Praveen, thank you for being a great inspiration leader for all of us. On behalf of the entire IT team, I wish you nothing but the best. God bless you.
Hi Praveen, all the very best. Thank you for everything.
Having an MD like you is a blessing to a company and its employees. It is definitely a big loss to Paytm Money. I wish all the best.
Hi Praveen, it was really great working with you. Paytm Money won't be the same without you. All the best for your future and endeavors. Thank you.
Hi Praveen, all I want to say is thank you for being such a great mentor and believing in me. Your contributions and dedication will always be an exemplar for us. I wish you the brightest days ahead. I'm going to miss you. All the very best.
Thanks a lot Praveen for giving us the conducive environment to learn and grow here. I'll be missing all the endless discussions which we used to have on KYC. Wish you good luck.
I'm really glad I got a chance to work with you and thank you for everything. We've all learned so much from you.
Hi Praveen, thank you for everything. Hope our path cross again in the future. All the best.
Hi PJ. I can't wait to see your next step. I hope you got this reference. You'll be missed. See you soon. Bye.
Hi Praveen, it has been an amazing experience working with you. A lot of learnings. Thank you so much for that. Goes without saying that you are already being missed at Paytm Money. But hoping to meet you when you're at Bangalore.
Hi Praveen, it was great working under your leadership for the last 1.5 years. Thank you for all the support. We'll definitely miss you. Wishing you all the very best.
Hi Praveen, it was a privilege working with you. Thank you for all the insights and learnings and I wish you the very best in your next adventure.
Hi Praveen, it's a hard time for all of us that you are going. You have been a great leader and a great motivation for all of us. Best of luck for the future.
Hi Praveen, it was wonderful working with you and had an amazing experience. Wishing you the very best ahead.
Hey Praveen, it has been always great to work with you. Not just in last 3 years, but prior to that. I have always enjoyed it. Just want to say all the best for your future endeavor. And in future, let's meet together sometime. Yeah, all the best.
Hi PJ, it was great working with you. We will miss you a lot. Thanks for everything you brought to Paytm Money. Be safe and keep rocking.
बहुत अच्छे वो पल थे जो मैंने आपके साथ काम किए, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। और शाम के चाय पकौड़ा बहुत मिस करूँगा। थैंक्स पीजे फॉर एवरीथिंग्स, ऑल द बेस्ट एंड गुड लक।